Hi, everyone, and thanks for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson, and we have some snow and wind in the eastern U.S. as a couple of systems develop here and push into the northeast over the next couple of days. High-amplitude weather pattern, though, so we have a ridge of high pressure in the western U.S., keeping things rather dry and warm, and it'll be cold and a little more unsettled in the eastern U.S. But again, this high-amplitude weather pattern will have some bigger impacts depending on what side of the nation you're on here this week. So we have one area of low pressure lifting up along the eastern seaboard this morning. Some heavier snow there. Another cold air mass dipping in on the backside of a stronger Clipper system, which really didn't bring a whole lot of snow with it, but definitely some gusty winds. You can see here by Wednesday still some scattered snow showers throughout the Great Lakes, the Ohio Valley, and into parts of the northeast. And again, heading back to the west, a ridge of high pressure here kind of steers most of the moisture well north into Canada. We'll keep dry weather conditions ongoing, but warmer than average there as well. 5-day precipitation forecast, keeping again most of the moisture here from the Pacific north into British Columbia. And then as we take a look at the eastern seaboard, again right along the coast here from places out near Massachusetts and Maine, some heavier snowfall potential today, and then some of that lake effect snow over the Great Lakes really adding up. And we'll also have some high elevation snow here in the Appalachians from Virginia and even North Carolina all the way up into places there in Pennsylvania. Pretty decent amounts of lake effect snow downwind of all the Great Lakes. Temperatures as we look out through mid-February showing that the eastern half of the country will be cooler than average, but then really starting to warm up underneath that ridge in the western half of the country. And you actually start to see that ridge developing there. Here's that colder pocket of weather where temperatures in the Mississippi River Valley today will be a good 10 to almost 15 degrees below average. It'll be even cooler, though, Wednesday over the Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley. But as you notice, Minneapolis will be at 18, some scattered snow, and back into the 80s in Phoenix.